Welcome to Review Rumble. The best gifts for step-grandma is probably one of the most thoughtful and heartwarming gestures you can make, as finding that perfect present to show appreciation and love for the special woman who has embraced your family can sometimes feel like a delightful challenge, requiring a blend of sentimentality, practicality, and a touch of personal flair to truly make her feel cherished and an integral part of your life. Number 5. ISOTONER Classic Clog Memory Foam Slippers. Step into unparalleled comfort with these classic clog slippers. They are designed to provide a cozy embrace for your feet after a long day. Experience the luxurious feel of memory foam cushioning. It molds to your foot's unique shape, offering personalized support with every step. Walk with confidence on any indoor surface. Their durable, non-slip sole provides essential traction, keeping you safe and stable. Featuring a beloved classic clog design, these slippers offer both elegance and practicality. They are perfect for lounging around the house in style. Make them your go-to footwear for ultimate relaxation at home. They combine comfort, safety, and style for your daily routine. Crafted with quality materials, these slippers are made for enduring comfort. You can rely on their lasting softness and support season after season. What we like? These slippers offer ultimate comfort with their plush memory foam. Their non-slip sole provides safety and stability around the house. If you're looking for everyday comfort and peace of mind, these are a perfect choice for relaxing at home. What people say. No reviews found in the provided source. No reviews found in the provided source. Number 4. Solar Hummingbird Wind Chime. Experience a spectrum of wonderful colors that will uplift your spirits. At night, they transform into a dazzling display, illuminating your space with brilliant hues. You'll find them even more captivating than the stars. Harnessing solar energy, they charge automatically during the day and glow beautifully at night. Simply hang them in your favorite outdoor spot, or even indoors, to create a serene and colorful ambience. Designed to be rainproof and moisture-proof, they are lightweight and easy to hang anywhere. Their durable construction ensures they won't deform, making them perfect for both indoor and outdoor decoration. These make an ideal present for a wide range of celebrations, from birthdays and anniversaries to holidays like Mother's Day or Christmas. They are a thoughtful and high-quality gift for loved ones, adding charm to any home or garden. Each package contains one beautiful solar hummingbird wind chime, a user manual for easy setup, and a convenient hook. It's ready to bring joy and color right out of the box. What we like? This magical wind chime brings vibrant, color-changing light to any space. It charges automatically during the day and glows beautifully at night, creating a serene ambience. If you want to add a touch of whimsy and colorful light to a garden or patio, this is an enchanting option. What people say. Number 3. Dearfoams Mama Bear Slipper. Slip into pure bliss after a long day. These slippers are designed to cradle your feet in unparalleled softness. Perfect for the nurturing spirit, they offer a cozy embrace for your tired feet. You deserve this moment of peace and warmth. Crafted with incredibly soft materials, they provide instant warmth and a luxurious feel. Your feet will thank you for this gentle hug. Transform your home into a sanctuary of comfort. They are ideal for unwinding, relaxing, and enjoying quiet moments. Make every step a luxurious experience. These are more than just footwear, they're a daily treat for your feet. What we like? These adorable slippers celebrate the special mama bear in your life. They provide exceptional warmth and softness for ultimate relaxation. If you're looking for a thoughtful and cozy gift that shows appreciation, these are a heartwarming choice. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON, so no points could be extracted. Please provide product reviews to extract points. Number 2. Body Restore Shower Steamers Aromatherapy 6-pack. Imagine turning your daily shower into a luxurious spa experience. These innovative tablets are designed to infuse your bathroom with delightful aromas, creating a serene escape. Infused with premium bloom essential oils, they release soothing scents as the steam rises. This natural aromatherapy helps calm your mind and uplift your spirits. Experience profound stress relief and deep relaxation with every use. Let the calming fragrances wash away your worries, leaving you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Prioritize your well-being with this simple yet powerful self-care gift. It's an easy way to indulge in a moment of peace and tranquility, right in your own home. Looking for a thoughtful present? These make an excellent Father's Day gift for Dad, or a wonderful birthday surprise for both women and men. They're a unique way to show you care. Each pack contains 6 individual steamers, ensuring you have multiple opportunities for relaxation. Simply place one in your shower and let it work its magic. What we like? Transform any shower into a luxurious spa experience with these aromatherapy steamers. Infused with premium essential oils, they offer stress relief and relaxation. If you want to give the gift of daily self-care and a moment of tranquility, these are an excellent pick. What people say. Number 1. Joyleo Wooden Family Birthday Reminder Calendar Board JL01. This organizer keeps all family birthdays in one place. It helps elderly parents and grandparents easily track the special days of their children and grandchildren. No more worries about forgetting important dates. Perfect for large or growing families, this sign helps you recall and keep up with everyone's birthday. Your older parents and grandparents will never miss a celebration again. It's an ideal gift for any occasion, from birthdays to holidays. Give it to senior parents and grandparents who seem to have everything, a thoughtful present from their children and grandchildren. This practical wooden plaque serves as a beautiful wall decoration for any room. It's a great way to display important dates like birthdays, anniversaries, and special events. Assembly is quick and easy. Simply write names and dates on the tags, connect them to the correct months, and hang it on your wall. You'll never forget a birthday again. For best results, use a gel pen or ultrafine marker to prevent ink bleeding. Markers are not included. Please note a specific connection tip for heart tags if they are placed first. Each set includes a laser-engraved wooden board, 100 wooden tags, hearts and circles, and 100 metal rings. You also get jute twine, an adhesive hook, and a gift box. What we like? This unique wooden calendar helps loved ones keep track of all family birthdays effortlessly. With 100 customizable tags, it ensures no special date is ever forgotten. If you're looking for a practical and sentimental gift to help organize family celebrations, this is an incredibly thoughtful solution. What people say. No reviews found in the source JSON. No reviews found in the source JSON. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.